Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another video for you. So while we're waiting for tubing to build this flatbed, I figured it was a good time to clean all this up and get some paint on this frame. So I got the pressure washer out, some degreaser. I'm gonna hose it down, pressure wash the crap out of it, get all this dirt and everything off of here, and we can throw some paint on it. Alright guys, got it in the shop all cleaned up. So I haven't quite decided exactly what paint I'm going to use. I thought this was a lot more rusted than it was. I actually bought some rust preventative paint stuff, but it's actually not, it doesn't really adhere to paint. So it's kind of, that stuff's more for like really bad rusted stuff. So alright guys, so what I'm going to do with this frame is I'm going to use this rust barrier on the heavier rusted areas, like something like that. So I'll shoot that on because it doesn't really like to bond to paint. Actually, it's made to bond to the rust. So I'm going to use that on the bad rusted areas, and then the rest of it I'm just going to use this black paint here, this chassis paint. I've actually had pretty good luck with this stuff, so we'll see how that works. So I'm actually going to pull my exhaust, get that out of the way, and then as far as shocks go, I'll probably just mask those off. They're kind of a pain to pull on and off, so let's get that exhaust off, get those shocks masked, and spray some paint on here, clean it up a little bit. Okay guys, got all that rust barrier on, so I'm gonna let that dry for a little while till it's completely dry, and then we can do some paint on top of it. That stuff's weird, the rust turns like white, if you can see that. And like here, I mean there's black in it, but there's definitely, you can tell it's kind of white looking, which is kind of weird. Right there. Anyway, we'll get some paint on it when it dries, and should be looking good. Alright boys, she's done, dried up. Shit almost looks brand new. So we'll see how long it lasts. The nice thing about spray paint is it's $10 a can, and if you need to touch it up, it takes 10 seconds. So I'm gonna get it all unmasked, get the exhaust back on it, and then clean up the floor. He'll have to overspray off the floor. So alright guys, got the truck outside. Give you a better look at this frame. Damn. She clean, boys. Turned out pretty good. Now it just needs a flatbed. So that wraps up today's video. Hope you liked it. Still waiting. It's supposed to be in, the steel's supposed to be here a couple days, so ordered it from a shop in town, and I gotta hopefully pick it up in a couple days. So once that comes in, we can get some real stuff done. But yeah, for now, got the frame cleaned up, looks good, so that's a plus. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.